Alright guys, it's just elevators here today. And today we're getting a new elevator fixture that I'm about to unbox. But let's go over the parts, shall we? Right here we have ThyssenKrupp Mad BS. Adams, or I think these are Adams. Sigma 4. Innovation. Key switch. Now it's time to unbox this newest part. The newest addition, this new KONE part. I believe the fixture, it's right here actually. This is the main part that we wanted. Okay, there's the box. Put that aside. Before we take out the main thing, let me just put the camera down for a second. Side, double wrap. Let's take a look at this. So if you wanted to wire this up to an elevator, you got some parts right here. And of course, a KONE logo. Now these model fixtures are KSL500 fixtures. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Oh, let's take a look at this one more. So this is the wire. The clips, and some more clips. Now, the moment we've been all waiting for. That's right, people. My first KONE fixture. Hold on, let me put the camera down. Here it is. My very first KONE fixture. And just for effect, I'm going to take off this thing so we can see the full metal. There we go. And there it is. The KONE fixture. Now let's see if this thing lights up. Again, these are your typical KONE buttons. Let's see if these things light up. See if I can make them light up. Put the camera down for a second. Nope, I cannot make them light up. But look at this. So these are the KONE fixtures. And there you have it. The newest member to the elevator button collection. So, time to wrap it up now. Take a look at the KONE logo one more time. And that's it.